Can people see my screen?
I can see your screen, so you can turn on your camera, and you have 7 minutes for pitching.
Turn on camera. All right. Hi, how's everybody going? It's a long day for you guys, so I'm going to keep things nice and short. My name's Richard. I'm pleased to present Hotpot Protocol, an on-chain lottery infrastructure company. So if you've invested in a Web3 company, you know that every kind of dApp is facing a commercial viability problem. It comes down to 3 things: poor user acquisition, retention, and monetization. I built 3 highly profitable startups in Web2, and we call these your CAC, churn, and LTV. And the reason they're so bad is because founders apply unsustainable business practices. And for 3 years, no one has solved this problem effectively. The airdrop to acquire users. Yesterday, I talked to Ryan from Arbitrum at CoinFest Asia. I told him I made a lot of money from their airdrop, and he asked me how I'm using Arbitrum today, and I told him I didn't. The cost of acquiring a customer in Web3 through an airdrop is opaque to founders. They're building towers of unrealized debt. When any kind of pressure is exerted on the price, like FTX or Terra, or maybe a bear market, that tower topples over. When your rewards run out, so do your users. I spent enough time meme coin trading to know that when devs are sending tokens to the burn wallet, it's time to get out. Web3 companies try to retain users by doing this, but it doesn't always stop the churn. Gala burned 23 billion tokens in 2023, and their price is 1/20th from last year's median. So what is Hotpot? We're a Web3 infrastructure company that provides user acquisition, retention, and monetization tooling focused around chance-driven games. We're infrastructure for casino-fi.
Hey, I'm so sorry to hop in here. I can't see your screen moving.
Can anybody else see my screen moving?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that then. Go ahead.
Okay. Where was I? Infrastructure for casino-fi. Can everybody see what is Hotpot on the screen? Ashley?
I'm looking at the market validation slide right now.
Okay, I think there's a little bit of latency. That's okay, I'll just keep going. And then if anyone have questions, we can just ask at the end. So why casinos? If you recall, the third problem was dApps cannot monetize. Blur, the biggest NFT marketplace, handles about $1 billion in volume and has a measly $4.5 billion in revenue. That's $10 a user. While Rollbit, a casino, having only 150K users, earns $1 million per 1,000 deposits. That's $900 per user. So we asked ourselves a question: what if we combine the functionality of dApps and the monetization of casinos? To get the best of both, any dApp can use Hotpot to casino-fi their product, leading to a lower CAC, less churn, and a higher LTV. This is a multi-step process. Our first solution is an NFT exchange lottery where each trade gives the user a chance to win life-changing rewards. Next, we provide lending solutions, and then casino as a service. And finally, develop infrastructure for what the casinos fall on. So this is scalable backend API and on-ramps, off-ramps, proprietary VRF. Since any on-chain transaction can generate lottery tickets or place a bet, we can gamify any application. Every swap, every trade, every account created. Imagine being the 100th lucky winner buying coffee using your Starbucks NFT. The result is implementing Hotpot means more users, less churn, and more revenue for your dApps. The applications are endless. The global online gambling casino sports betting.
That's why it doesn't move.
Are you guys still on market validation?
Yes, market validation.
Oh, that's odd.
Okay, so it
Latency. I see it.
Sign of the market. So you have 1 minute left. So.
Okay. Yeah, right now I'm actually on B2B applications as a slide. That's okay, I'll just send people the slides after if they want to see it. I'll just finish with the team. Myself, I'm a 3X founder. I started in health tech SaaS. I worked in Web3 in 2020. I have an MBA at the London School of Economics. Alex is our previous is the CTO of Blockham and Jarvis AI with 10 years of engineering experience. Oscar, our CMO, is a 7-figure NFT and crypto trader who's marketing at LaunchTrip. And Diane is a award-winning UI UX designer. We have 3 other engineers. Ivan, who's a blockchain security engineer at Pessimistic Security. Gabriel is a 15 times hackathon winner and engineer at Blitzcraft. Manaz is the founder of GetPaid and engineer at ZoomDAO and a full stack engineer. So if there's any interest, email me at lfg@hotpot.gg or DM me on Telegram. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. And now it's 6 minutes for the Q&A session. 6 minutes for the Q&A.
Okay, great. If there's any questions regarding Hotpot?
You can see the question from the chat box. Can you see?
Typing?
Yes.
Sure. Please share your deck. Interesting concept. Rahid from Polygon Labs. Sure. Do you have an email? Proprietary VRF. Any reason why? We're using Chainlink VRF right now, Philip. Reason just being intellectual property.
Please papers and all the investors the pitch deck of all projects today.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
So please argue that you mentioned the proprietary VRF. Can you see that question?
Yeah. It's just a matter of intellectual property and whether we're vertically integrated or sharing resources with another company. Chainlink's VRF works fine, but we want to kind of have our own as well. Just be fully self-sufficient. Any other questions? Okay. If we are launching the Hotpot marketplace around next month, currently on testnet Orly, and would be happy to share and get some feedback on the product. So just follow us on Twitter at hotpot_GG, and then get you an invite link. We're looking to raise $2 million at a $20 million valuation. We started this 3 months ago. We have 4 engineers. Like I said, we're distributed in India, Southeast Asia, and North America and Europe.
Okay, great. So thank you, George, summing up, and thank you for the great pitching. And now you can move to the waiting room. Thank you, Rich.
Wait, thanks, Lynn. Bye.